Hawick is a town in the Scottish Borders Council area and historic county of Roxburghshire in the east southern uplands of Scotland. It is 10.0 miles, 16.1 kilometers, southwest of Jedburgh and 8.9 miles, 14.3 kilometers, south-southeast of Selkirk. It is one of the farthest towns from the sea in Scotland, in the heart of Teviotdale, and the biggest town in the former county of Roxburghshire. Hawick's architecture is distinctive in that it has many sandstone buildings with slate roofs. The town is at the confluence of the Slitree Water with the River Teviot. Hawick is known for its sheerly common riding, for its rugby team Hawick Rugby Football Club and for its knitwear industry. At the 2001 census Hawick had a resident population of 14,801. By 2011, this had reduced to 14,294. Monuments. The west end of the town contains the moat, their remains of a Norman motte and bailey. In the center of the high street is the Scots baronial-style town hall, built in 1886, and the east end has an equestrian statue, known as the Horse, erected in 1914. Drumlanrig's Tower, now a museum, dates largely from the mid-16th century. Economy. Companies such as Hawick Cashmere, Hawick Knitwear, Johnstones of Elgin, Lyle and Scott, Peter Scott, Pringle of Scotland, and Scott and Charters, all have had and in many cases still have manufacturing plants in Hawick, producing some of the most luxurious cashmere and merino wool knitwear in the world today. The first knitting machine was brought to Hawick in 1771 by John Hardy, building on an existing carpet manufacturing trade. Originally based on linen, this quickly moved to wool and factories multiplied, driving the growth of the town. Engineering firm Turnbull and Scott previously had their headquarters in an Elizabethan-style listed building on Commercial Road before moving to Burnfoot. Transport. Hawick lies in the center of the valley of the Teviot. The A7 Edinburgh to Carlisle Road passes through the town, with main roads also leading to Berwick upon Tweed, the A698, and Newcastle upon Tyne, the A6088, which joins the A68 at the Carter Bar, 16 miles, 26 kilometers, southeast of Hawick. The town lost its rail service in 1969. When as part of the Beeching X the Waverley line from Carlisle to Edinburgh via Hawick was closed. It was said to be the farthest large town from a railway station in the United Kingdom. Citation needed, but this changed as a result of the partial reopening of the Waverley line to Tweedbank, near Galashiels. Campaigners are lobbying for the line to be extended to Hawick and then on to Carlisle. Citation needed. Regular buses serve the railway station at Carlisle, 42 miles, 68 kilometers, away. The nearest major airports are at Edinburgh, 57 miles, 92 kilometers, away, and Newcastle, 56 miles, 90 kilometers, away.